Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2019 Ram 3500 regular cab pickup. On the exterior of this Ram, you'll find heated and power tow mirrors with turn signal indicators, a park view rear backup camera system, and fully automatic headlights. Inside, we have comfortable seating for 3, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. The 5-inch touchscreen display has integrated voice command with Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Ram 3500 has less than 8,800 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Call Tameron Gulf Coast at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime at www.tamerongulfcoast for more information and to schedule your test drive today.